This is Nongshim Shin Noodle soup. You can put it in microwave or just use the hot water. This is the soup base and the noodle and the flakes. Actually, this is the water line. I'm just fill over a little bit over it. Alright, it's already 4 minutes. Let's open the lid. Very rich flavor. You can smell it. I think it should be pretty hot. And the flavor is very rich. Now I'm gonna taste the soup. For the spicy, to me, I think it is in the middle range or just a little bit below the middle range. Still pretty spicy, but the flavor is good. And I think it is a little bit salty. Next time I probably don't put all the soup base in. Let me try the noodle. The noodle is soft and smooth and it feels like a little bit bouncy. Very good texture in the mouth. Now I'm going to enjoy my Shin ramen. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.